Let's discuss another source of part geometry besides CAD files. A standard feature in ProNest is the VSP library, or Variable Shape Parts. Let's open the Edit Part List now. And this time, in the Part Sources area, we'll select VSP. This is a basic shape library similar to what's installed on many CNC controllers on cutting machines. With VSP, you get a parametric library that lets you customize dimensions for any shape you want. Now let's add a VSP part. So just click the part once to select it. At this point, you can change properties for it. We'll change the required quantity. And then just double-click the part. Now the VSP shape reference window will open. So I can adjust dimensions in here. And you just type in the grid to edit your dimensions. There's a reference drawing on the right as you select different items here. And then the preview at the bottom shows an actual view of the part. All right, so let's add a cutout now. Select Add Cutout. I'll select a circle. Okay. Okay, it's basically as easy as that. Let's add a few more cutouts now. I'll add another circular cutout. This time I'll make the diameter smaller. All right, so you sort of get the idea there. In the upper right, you can just use these arrows to page through the different profiles in the VSP part. So the cutouts and then the exterior profile. All right, just select OK when you're ready to add it. At this point, there's leads that are added to the part, and the part is ready to be output or nested. One quick note, if you want to permanently save this part as a separate DXF file, you can just right-click the part in the part list and then export to DXF. A DXF file of the part will be saved according to your DXF settings. In your settings, you can configure things like whether to include or exclude lead-ins and lead-outs and that sort of thing.